Welcome to the video guides for how to use SPSS 12th edition. Here we will go through the practice exercises and demonstrate to you how to get the results that are shown in the text. For practice exercise 1.3, we're going to create our first data file. First we switch to the variable view and enter the names of our variables, which are ID, day, time, morning, grade, and work. Then you'll notice that it fills in each of the other parameters for you. We need to change a few of them. For example, we would like to label the variable time with what is the time of the class. And we'd like to label the variable morning with are you a morning person? For value labels, where things are inherently numeric, like someone's grade or their ID, there's no need to enter them. However, where it's simply a placeholder for some other variable or some other value, we're going to enter a value label. So for example, for day, if we click on values and then click the three small dots, we can add that 1 represents it is a Monday, Wednesday, Friday course, and the variable value 2 represents it is a Tuesday, Thursday course. We're going to do the same thing for time, where the value 1 represents it is a morning class, and the variable value 2 represents that it is an afternoon class. For morning, we're going to say that the value 0 means that no, you are not a morning person, and the value 1 means yes, you are a morning person. For work, we are going to set that the value 0 means you do not work, the value 1 represents that you work part-time, and the value 2 represents that you work full-time. Finally, we'll set measures for each of these. We'll set ID to ordinal, day to nominal, time to nominal, morning to nominal, grade to scale, and work to nominal. Now when we switch back to the data view, you'll see that it has created columns representing each of the variable names. We can simply enter in our data, 4593, day 2, time 2, morning 0, grade 85, work 0, and 1901, day 1, time 1, morning 1, grade 83, work 1. Notice that we can take the value labels command up on the menu bar and toggle back and forth between showing the values and the actual numbers that we have entered in.